Greetings gents, ladies, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I'm going to show you right now how to tie your shoes faster, easier, and better than you ever did before. Let's do it. How to tie your shoes really quick like this. Here's how I was taught to tie my shoes, and I'm not sure this is the proper way. I don't think it is, because the way I'm going to show you, I believe, is much better and faster and even looks better. So I was told to cross over normally, and then like this, and like this, and like that. And so what happens, that's not even right. See how it springs back? It's just not right. It would be better if it was this way, but anyway, now I'll show you the best way, the proper way. Make your crossover like you normally do. If you want it extra tight, you're going to do a double cross like this. This is great for hockey skates, boots, all that good stuff. 1, 2. Then pull it tight. It's not going to come loose. It stays where it's at. Now grip the laces with 3 fingers on each hand. Here you're going to go down with your finger and up with your thumb. Here you're going to go down with your thumb, up with your finger. Bring them together and grab the pieces that you see, the 2 laces that are right up on top. Just interchange, grab them between your thumb and forefingers and pull. And that's it. Now it's straight. See? You don't have to reverse it. It's ready to go, nice and tight. Let's try it again. 3 fingers on each side, down with the finger, up with the thumb, down with the thumb, up with the finger. Just grab the laces that are visible right up on top, pull them through. That's it. Let me demonstrate on these basketball shoes. Start with your crossover like you normally would, but you want these nice and tight, so do a double cross. Over once, over twice. Pull tight, grip the laces with 3 fingers on each hand, down with the finger, up with the thumb, down with the thumb, up with the finger. Reach in, grab the laces, pull them apart. Bam, that's it. Nice and easy. Laces are nice and straight, loops are even. Let's do it on these Tims. Do your double cross once, twice. Pull tight. Hold the lace, 3 fingers. Down with the finger, up with the thumb. Down with the thumb, up with the finger. Grab the laces and pull through. Done. Now let's try it on my hockey skates. These, you definitely want to do the double cross. So over once, over twice, pull tight, it stays down. Hold the laces with 3 fingers. Down with the finger, up with the thumb. Down with the thumb, up with the finger. Grab the laces and pull through. That's it. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.